Hi everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well. Now, just on this little episode, I would like to talk about egg bound. So, this morning I had a little situation where one of my hens were egg bound. It is very, very rare in my bird room, and what I use to prevent egg bounding is cod liver oil. Now, this is very rare. It has happened to me, but you know, in the canary world, things do happen. So I won't be showcasing my birds on this little episode. I just want to show you guys all about the egg bounding. Like I've said many times, what works for me might not work for you, but this is proof that this has worked for me this morning. All right, guys, have a look at the video, and I'll see you at the next little episode. Have a good one. All right, guys, this is one of my methods of a hen being egg bound. As you can see, the egg's kind of stuck inside the hen. So what you'll need to do is put the hen's vent with some warm water. Just dip her in some warm water. It's a little bit hard to see, I've got my hand in the way, but you just leave her in water for about a minute or so. So just make sure, guys, you just get the vent area. Do not wet the whole bird. So a bit of warm water from the tap, not from the kettle. Also, this is a pretty delicate procedure because if you do break the egg inside, you will lose the bird. Okay, now after that, just dry the hen, dry her up inside as best as you can. Now, the warm water isn't to make the egg to come out easier. It's just to relax the hen in that area, so it makes it nice and soft as well. So we'll just dry her up. This is how she's looking. She's quite swollen in that red area. Then, what we need is a syringe with some olive oil. So with the syringe, we'll place some olive oil around the vent area. This is what's going to help the bird to push the egg out. Now she's back in the breeding cage. Okay, she seems a little stressed, but I'd rather the hen a little bit stressed for a short period of time than potentially losing the bird. Because if you don't get that egg out, the bird will not survive. So let's just see how she goes. So she's got 3 eggs in the nest, and she seemed a little stuck on the 4th one. All right, guys, I'll give you a latest update and see how this hen goes. And there you have it, guys. I went back into the bird room about an hour later, and it all worked, and she's just laid the egg on the floor. So the egg doesn't look broken, so I'll grab the egg and I'll pop it back in the nest.